Introduction. Our topic will give us an idea that maintaining individual differences and variety of characteristics are important to ensure the survival of species.
Sources of evidence for evolution.
Organisms inhabiting the Earth have changed over time. Their structures, traits, and abilities allowed them to adapt and survive in their environment. Data from the fossil records, anatomy and morphology, embryonic development and biochemistry could be analyzed to demonstrate if evolution of life on Earth has taken place.
The theories.
Jean-Baptiste Lamarck
Was the first evolutionist to believe that organisms change over time. The theory of need, which states that organisms change in response to their environment.
Charles Darwin. Based on natural selection is different from the theories of Lamarck. Summary/synthesis/feedback. Species may change over time. Fossil records, developmental and molecular biology and genetics may provide possible evidence for evolution.
Patterns in animal development suggest that some organisms may have one common ancestor.
Evidence in structure and molecular studies suggests that organisms are related with one another.
Jean-Baptiste de Lamarck proposed the theory of need, the theory of use and disuse, and the theory of acquired characteristics.
Speciation or formation of a new species may occur through mutation, gene combination, and natural selection.
Speciation increases biodiversity. Charles Darwin presented the theory of evolution based on natural selection. Glossary of terms. Adaptation. Ability of an organism to adjust and thrive in a given environment. Analogous structures. Structures in different organisms that are similar in function but different origin.
Convergent evolution. An increase in similarities among species.
Divergent evolution. An increase in the difference among descendants of a single ancestral species as the time passes. Evolution. Species change over time. Fossils. Remains of once living things. Fossil remains include bones, shells, teeth and also feces. Gene. A segment of DNA or RNA that codes for protein or RNA, a molecular unit of heredity trait. Unit 3. Module 3. Biodiversity and evolution.
Module 4. Ecosystem, biodiversity. Biodiversity describes how varied our life forms as different ecosystems.
1. Direct economic value. The species is considered to have direct economic value if their products are sources of food, medicine, shelter, and energy. 2. Indirect economic value. A species has an indirect economic value if there are benefits produced by the organism without using them. 3. Aesthetic value. A lot of species provides visual or artistic enjoyment, like a forested landscape and the calming beauty of a natural park, or they may be used for spiritual meditation like the prayer mountains. Limiting factors that depend on population density. 1. Diseases and parasites. Infectious diseases and parasites spread faster in densely populated areas. 2. Competition for resources. Organism with better adaptations to obtain food resources will be able to reproduce more often. 3. Predation. Plenty of prey are available, predators will be able to eat sufficiently, thus have energy to produce much, and increase their numbers.
Created using Powtoon.